What's up, everybody? It's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, and as you can see, the snowstorm has passed and everything is starting to melt. So today I'm flying something different. I'm flying my 3-inch. So I'm gonna fly it around here at the park and do something a little bit different. So I haven't flown this in a while, and I did update the rates on it to my freestyle rates, so we'll see how it performs. Hope you enjoy. Well, having some weird video issues. I'm not sure what that's all about, so I think I'm going to cut it for tonight, and I think that's going to be it. So that's my 1.5 pack-ish. Plus, I think these batteries are going bad. I left them on charge, at least one of them on charge, so I think I'm going to have to invest in some new small 3S batteries, but anyway, it is what it is. And it's really cold out here too. My hands are like frozen. So thanks guys for watching the video. Thanks for hanging out. And as always, let's keep those drones up in the air, flying high. I'll see you guys tomorrow.